Hello loves, Rebecca here, back with another Memory Makers design team layout, and we're still using the Folkart collection to do some Christmas. So we've got this beautiful, all of these hand cut little elements, and some other bits and bobs in there that I cut. So I'm going to use those as ornaments. This is the photo. It's me opening a present from, I think, my son. And the dogs are there. B was Santa Paws, and that was her little elf. So I'm going to trim these two pieces of cardstock down. They're just from my stash. I'm trying to use up some of the colored cardstock, so I didn't print the cardstock that comes with the kit out because, like I said, I am just trying to use up some stash along with these other fabulous elements. So I'm going to cut this down. The edges were a little busted up on this piece of cardstock, so I'm going 1/4 of an inch on each side. And then I think we'll do a little bit of matting. We're going to use this side. Stick that right in the middle. Boop, 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 boop. And then all I do, you guys, is just come in and use an X-Acto knife on my Glassboard Studio glass mat. Okay. And we're just gonna have a nice little photo mat, and then we're gonna create a Christmas tree and add all of our fun little embellishments as the ornaments. So now I just try to make sure that this is secure. No waste, right? No waste. So and then I just come in on this side and seal that up very nicely. Just grab some random washi tape from the stash, just because these guys sit in my iris containers for a bit before I put them away. Anybody else think that the American Crafts washi just doesn't hold up? Like, you see, it's just not. That's why smaller companies, right, like Memory Makers, come in here and you can print out everything that you need. And you never run out, right? Because it's a digital cut file. So you can go in and continuously get all of the embellishments that you need. And you don't have to worry about trying to use stash up. Ugh. I mean, like, seriously, it's just ripping at this point. And it's very annoying, and I'm so sorry that you have to sit here and watch this. But again, it's how I use up my washi tape stash. Okay, so that's as secure as it's ever gonna be. Now, what I normally do is I need a piece of just regular, this is legal, the thin as thin can be, paper. And probably should just cut this to 12 by 12. Otherwise, I'm going to have a hot mess on my hands. And I'm just going to freehand sketch this out, right? So let's just make this 11. And we just want to do a fun little tree. So that's the tree, right? So then I'm going to cut this out, and I'm going to use this as my template because I don't want to have all kinds of pencil marks and stuff. And then let's cut this down. So my lines are not going to be straight until I do it that way. And there is like a little lip on here that I used to line my photo up. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my scissors. I'm going to cut that out. I'm going to stick it on here, and I'm going to use it, and I'm going to create. Yay. So give me 1 minute to get this cut out, and we'll be back for the mixed media part. All right. I've got the Christmas tree on there, and I've got some like texture and different brush strokes. Now I'm going to go ahead and I used Dina Wakley's Fur Gloss Spray. And I also outlined it with Vicki Bouton's Watermelon Burst. And now we're going to use the Gloss Spray and Syrup. And I just treat this just like paint. So I got my brush. I just stick it in there. And we're just going to come in. And the outline is going to stay because I didn't go with a very dark color here. But it's all about the layers when you're doing mixed media. So we're just kind of come in and make sure that we've got everything covered. Okay. Let me rinse this brush out. Otherwise, it's just going to be one big mess. Apparently, it's one big mess anyway. Okay. So now, the fun part. I don't know if you guys are wondering what that is. That is just a stainless steel letter opener. I've had it for eons, and that's what I use to mix up my mixed media because it's stainless steel, so it's not going to rust. All right. So we're going to pop this up on some foam. This is just fun foam. It's fun for all ages. And the little cast off piece I just put in there. And I use those little Frankenstein bits for smaller objects. So we're going to put our photo right down here. So we want to put these elements, these smaller ones that I cut out. So we've got this guy as a star. I thought there was a few stars. Do we want to use the green? I think we want to use the blue. So, like I said, we use these Frankenstein bits. I'm just going to cut them up. Okay. So we're going to go with the blue and stay away from the green. I'm just going to drop a dab of glue on there. Then we're going to use this guy as the star. Okay. We also have that star. We have a butterfly. So let's just go ahead and boop, boop. Put this here so that we can see where we want all of our little guys to go. And I'm working off screen. I apologize. But we're just going to start hanging them. So we got these two that we're just going to come in. I just thought this was just a really cute idea since there was all these little extra pieces, and one of them actually looked like an ornament, so and you'll see that shortly, and that's what inspired me, and I thought this would be a really cute idea if you just like put them as little embellishments around the tree, right? So we have all of these fun ones. Use this longer bit, and I don't actually use a lot of foam when I'm doing it because you don't really need it. I like the little teardrop one. So we'll just pop the glue. And I'm using liquid glue because of the mixed media. So you'll see in just a minute. And I'm going to take like little enamel dots. I'll show you that too. Okay, let's get this one and this one. And I'm gonna get some of these tags that we are just gonna pop like so. We're just gonna get them stuck here just as a little bit more of an added element. Let's grab this guy, and then let's see this little piece. So I do hope you guys are liking the way this is turning out because I am loving it. Get a few more on here. And if you hear noise, I think my husband's getting ready to cut grass. So there's that. All right, what other pieces do we have? Yep, let's get that one in there. That one's more green than I would like, but what if put that one up there. We're gonna need bigger pieces for these. So see, there's so many things that you could do with this collection. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Check out the other design team members and see what they created. And there is a new collection dropping. Again, there's 2 collections that are dropped every month. Well, when I say drop, you know, mostly release. So, always fun. Let's get the butterfly on there. And then we got to come in with some cute little enamel dots. Those will just be from a stash. Let's see what else we can fit on here. I feel like we need something right over there. Before I knock these all over the floor and spend the next hour picking them up. That was just the backing from all of this. Let's just go ahead and get that one put there. Okay, then we're going to come in. I'm going to use a little bit of both. Get that popped there. And I was thinking, like, did we want to maybe... See, there's the ornament one. I didn't even use the ornament one. Let's use that guy. Hang him right there. So this collection, it comes with alphas and background paper and all kinds of fun stuff. So let's just pop her there. Can you get that one there? Do I like? Let's do that. And I'll just put the other one. So I'm going to put this one there. And then pop that one there, and then this guy needs to come right up here. Okay, so we've got that. So let me go ahead and get the enamel dots on there and pull up some more stuff that I want to use. Oh, I love it, and I'll see you guys in just a minute. Alright, so as you can see, we've got a lot finished up and done. And I'm just going to get some of this Aztec gold. We're going to splatter it around, but I really like the way I did pull in some of my stash items, just because, again, trying to use stuff up. So this is just going to add a little bit of something. It's just going to be some shimmer on the page. This is made from Pearl X powder. Alright, you guys, that's gonna do it. So you will see that. It will show up, but it is in person, it's showing up, but cameras might not be picking that up. But head on over to the website, pick yourself up some of these fabulous digital collections, and have yourself endless amounts of supplies with absolute no physical storage, right? So thank you guys so much. I appreciate. I hope that you do like what I've done. So as you see, I just put these little, oh, I missed one. Well, isn't that interesting? Let's do a medium on that guy. So those are my, oh. Okay, so apparently I missed more. So we got one here, here. So I'm just checking, got any there. Those two have one and these two have one. Then I took some stash items and beefed up the little areas. I am loving the way it is, so I don't want to add too much more and make it all, you know, too much. Sometimes I like more is more, but not always. So don't forget to check out Memory Makers. They have some very fabulous designs. I cannot wait to see what she comes out. 2 collections a month, and it's an Etsy store, so it's all linked down below. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.